protective hairstyle has completely matted up and started unraveling. So today we are going to do a full reset. We are going to fix it properly. We're going to do takedown, pre-poo, shampoo, detoxifying, and deep conditioning. So let's get right into it. Hey bloomer, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cynthia, and if you're my old subscriber, thank you for stopping by again today. So today we are going to be taking down my mini braid, my mini twist. My mini twist is 4 weeks old. My intention was to leave it for 6 weeks, but it has started matting up and started unraveling, so I cannot keep up with it. So today we're going to do a full reset. This reset might take the whole day or if not 2 days, but I hope I do not get exhausted afterwards. Stay tuned and see how it turns out, okay? For our takedown, we'll be using okra gel. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll upload a separate video showing exactly how I made the okra gel. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss that. I also added a few drops of my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. The link to that video is on the screen and also in the description below. Before you take down your braids, first you need to moisturize, you hydrate, then go in with your leave-in conditioner. I've hydrated my hair. My hair is damp now. Go in with my leave-in conditioner. Before I take down my protective style, there are 3 things I always keep in mind. Number 1, patience. I literally have to remind myself to be patient because normally I'm not a patient person. If impatience was a sport, I would be a world champion. Time is 12:01. Let's see when we'll get done. Number 2, I check my mental health. I make sure I'm calm, not stressed, and definitely not hungry. Because if I'm hungry, I get cranky and everything suddenly becomes a personal attack. Number 3, I remind myself why I installed this hair in the first place. My goal, my motive. This isn't just for trends or aesthetic. I actually need to succeed. Honestly, number 3 is what keeps me going. I don't do things just because everyone else is doing them. I have purpose, I have goals, and failure is not an option at all. It's not even my portion. So this is 624 and I'm done. So this is the amount of hair I shed in the last 4 weeks. Was it worth it? What do you think? Because honestly, I could probably donate it back to myself. And I know you know the difference between hair shedding and hair breakage, right? But if you don't, just let me know in the comments below. No shame, you're with your people here, okay? I covered my hair and let it marinate from 6:14 p.m. all the way to 9:18 p.m. Honestly, I was busy, but it actually worked in my favor. Sometimes procrastination is self-care. Now, as a low porosity girly, I'm going in with my lukewarm water to rinse out the gel and open up these cuticles. Remember, we are resetting this hair. A lot has passed through it and is about to pass through a lot. So we need everything to cooperate because everything we're about to cook on this hair needs to be done well, okay? Next step, I'm going in with my sulfur-free clarifying shampoo for deep cleanse. We want this scalp clean but not crying. So make sure you are not stripping away your natural oils while cleansing your scalp because that's how you end up with brittle, angry hair, okay? Clarifying shampoos are like the overzealous detective of the hair world. They strip everything down, leaving your strands exposed and vulnerable. That's why I always follow up with a moisturizing shampoo to bring back that softness and hydration. Right now, on this length retention journey, I don't need any extra drama. My hair and I are keeping it safe, strong, and happy. Okay? If you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts down below. Okay? The next step doesn't need drenched, dripping hair, just damp is perfect. So I will towel dry my hair a bit before detoxification. Think of detox as a mini spa day for your hair and scalp. Detox is like hitting the reset button for your scalp, saying goodbye to buildup, grease, and gunk. And it's a must if you want your strands to thrive. For this step, I'm using a clay mask I purchased from a brand. I poured in the amount I think will be enough for my hair, but a little heads up, this stuff of rises, so pour with caution. Then mix it with a warm water or vinegar, depends on the clay you're working with. I guess I'm using warm water for mine. Honestly, I don't know if there is an easy way to mix this clay without using your muscles like you are turning amala, just to avoid lumps. Mixing this alone felt like 2000 years later. I'm not even joking, I'm being honest. Anyway, make sure you apply this all over your hair and your scalp to remove buildup, gunk, grease, germs and germs, everything that is not meant to be on your hair and your scalp, okay? 2000 years later, I've finally managed to cover my hair and scalp as much as I possibly can. Now, I'm going in with plastic bags for about 20 to 30 minutes for it to steam. If you have a steaming cap, perfect. Me, I don't have at the moment, but hopefully in my next upload that requires steam, I'll flaunt it for you guys. You really need to make sure you wash this clay out of your hair properly. If it stays on your hair without being rinsed out, it can cause its own kind of trouble, like dryness, breakage, and buildup that blocks moisture from getting in. As you can see, this clay mask did not just reset my hair, it actually defined my coils. Just take a look. Look at these coils, guys. Please just appreciate them with me. Now, clay masks can leave your hair very dry and brittle if you stop there, and that's exactly where a deep conditioner comes in to bring back the moisture, the softness, and everything your hair needs after all that detoxing. Okay, so I am deep conditioning in sections. Make sure your hair is damp. We don't need a dripping or drenched hair. I have successfully conditioned my hair properly. Now it's time to let it marinate for about 30 minutes. I grabbed as many plastic bags as I could find, covered my hair, and we are just going to let it marinate to glory. At this point, my hair has officially over-marinated and it's ready for a whole new season of growth. I'm rinsing everything out with cold water to seal everything in. And yes, I'm using my massage brush to scrub my scalp for any unwanted escapees. Hey bloomer, we did everything one step at a time, just as we do it here. If you've stayed up to this point, 5 bottles of whatever liquor you drink, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Liking this video will go a long way for us. This is to tell YouTube algorithm that this video deserves to be seen by natural hair girlies like us. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. I finished at exactly 12:07 a.m. It was indeed a long reset. I hope to see you in my next video, hopefully a moisture routine. Ciao.